Cercetarea reprezintă o activitate importantă în cadrul Universității Transilvania din Brașov, cea mai mare și mai importantă universitate din regiunea de dezvoltare Centru, și prin Institutul de Cercetare-Dezvoltare al Universității, cel mai mare institut de acest gen într-o universitate din România, sperăm să devenim competitivi nu numai în regiunea în care ne aflăm, ci și la nivel național și la nivel internațional.
Institutul de Cercetare-Dezvoltare al Universității Transilvania din Brașov a fost dezvoltat în perioada 2009-2013 ca produs al unui proiect major pentru capacități mari de cercetare, finanțat din fonduri structurale europene, fonduri naționale și fonduri proprii ale universității. Obiectivul principal este creșterea competitivității în economie, prin conceperea, dezvoltarea și promovarea produselor high-tech, a tehnologiilor și serviciilor în domeniul major al dezvoltării durabile. Prin infrastructura de laboratoare eficiente energetic și prin liniile integrate de echipamente unicat în România, Institutul reprezintă cadrul optim de derulare a programelor de doctorat și postdoctorat, a proiectelor cu finanțare națională și internațională, a contractelor cu mediul economic și a formării de resurse umane înalt calificate.
The interdisciplinary scientific research activity aims at increasing the efficiency of renewable energy systems and at using wastes as second raw materials in developing products envisaged as novel solutions for the sustainable built environment. The high-level resources and the equipment unique in Romania enable the development of advanced materials for the solar energy conversion and for the environment, the development of components for increasing the efficiency of renewable energy systems, and the implementation of these systems at community level. Besides developing research projects in national and international partnerships, our center also offers consultancy and specialized research services to the economic environment and to local administrative bodies. The activity in the field of power electronics enables studies aimed at developing optimized control solutions with a view to integrating renewable energy systems in intelligent electrical networks and in autonomous or interconnected micro-networks. Studies in the field of magnetic and advanced electrical insulating materials and the development of testing procedures for equipment at electromagnetic perturbations can be performed by using integrated systems meant for electric and electronic equipment at driven electromagnetic perturbations. The infrastructure also enables the modeling and characterization of electrical properties of multi-layered magnetic materials by using planar and magnetoresistive Hall effects. Research in this center makes use of an exceptional infrastructure and is focused on the intelligent process control, on the parallel and distributed processing in systems engineering, on artificial side systems that can be employed in robotics, on systems with service-oriented architectures, on the automation of cloud environment operations, and on security systems for mobile devices employed in a cloud-type environment. The center is equipped with a data center, unique in Romanian academic area, which serves the entire institute and enables cooperation with third parties. The interplay between electronics, computers, and telecommunications constitutes the vector in the activity and strategy of developing our Center of Integrated Electronic Systems. The aim of our research is to design computer-based systems and embedded systems, computational intelligence, radio communications, and intelligent communication networks, as well as image processing and analysis systems, signal capture and analysis systems, chip-integrated systems, and supercapacitor-based power applications. Another team of researchers focuses on projects and studies for the development, modernization, and rehabilitation of constructions and of construction installations. Here, we offer technical solutions for constructions with a minimum impact on the built and unbuilt environment, the main domains of interest being the sustainable development in civil engineering and the rehabilitation of the built environment, as well as construction installation systems for sustainable energy.
Institutul cuprinde 11 clădiri cu autonomie energetică ridicată, realizate prin proiecte dezvoltate de echipe din cadrul Centrului de Cercetare și reprezintă nucleul unei comunități durabile în care valorificarea resurselor naturale, forestiere, de mediu și alimentație constituie domenii prioritare ale dezvoltării durabile.
The laboratories for forest genetics, pedology, forest semiology, physiology, and wildlife develop research and technical assistance offers for the genetic mapping, diversity assessment and identification of valuable forest species and populations, the ecological niche factor analysis, soil analyses, the identification and description of climatic and edaphic ecotypes for the main forest species, research related to the quality and interruption of seeds repose, the carbon sequestration in plantations, the drafting of protected area management plans, and the study of the wildlife population dynamics. Research in the field of forest exploitations and forest landscaping is carried out with state-of-the-art devices specific to the field of forest engineering. Our researchers collaborate with the key actors on national and international levels. The team of the Eco-Biotechnologies Laboratory performs high-quality studies and research on foods designed on the basis of ecological biotechnologies, which belong to the group of composite food products, such as culinary products, and on innovative food products, that is, intelligent gastronomic products, functional foods, and nutraceuticals, such as extracts of bioactive compounds, tinctures, or oils employed in public food supply and in tourism. The Center also performs analysis of biofood products, the design, certification, and homologation of the processes and technologies employed to obtain these products, the design, certification, and homologation of the equipment used in agrotourism, as well as studies of quality management in public alimentation and tourism, or various biophysical analyses. Another research path focuses on the use of wood-based materials obtained by various means, including recovering and recycling, respecting the principles of eco-design aimed at high-precision micro-prototyping for furniture, including a specific restoration component. The quality of the products is assessed in certified laboratories, where the emissions of volatile organic compounds are assessed through artificial aging tests, biological tests, and surface roughness, along with advanced characterization analyses. The use of wood-based resources by means of advanced, efficient, and sustainable technologies is supported by research carried out in the following directions: production and testing of panels at static strength, acoustic testing of wood-based materials, and experimental assessment of density and of heat transfer coefficient.
Cooperarea Institutului cu mediul economic asigură valorificarea resurselor de infrastructură și de cunoaștere în domeniul dezvoltării durabile. Prin produse high-tech din domeniul autovehiculelor, a sistemelor mecatronice, roboți și materiale inteligente, Institutul contribuie la creșterea competitivității economice în România.
Outstanding investments supported by national and European projects in Transilvania University during the last years have enabled the scientific innovation in the study of the internal combustion processes in engines which use fossil and second-generation fuels, in the engine overfueling and optimization of the distribution mechanisms of the hybrid motor vehicles and of the vehicles with alternative propulsion systems. Also envisaged are the improvement of road traffic and the development of noise level charts for urban and industrial areas. The characterization of new and innovative products can be obtained by static and dynamic testing of structures made of isotropic and anisotropic materials, aimed at identifying the fatigue behavior of materials and at analyzing the noises, along with the dynamic and acoustic vibrations. The research offer also includes numerical modeling services, the finite element analysis of the mechanical behavior in composite structures, as well as the analysis of thermodynamic and flow phenomena. Directions are to be encountered in the field of mechatronic research. On the one hand, advanced mechatronic systems employed in industry and agriculture, on the other hand, advanced mechatronic systems employed in the field of medicine. Research integrates the measurement of constructive and functional parameters, as well as the quality assessment of high-precision products. Data acquisition for the investigation, monitoring and control of processes, including the design, production and rapid prototyping of high-precision mechatronic systems. The monitoring of human comfort in carrying out productive activities. Screening activities, services for the assessment of human behavior and level of performance, and services for labor, ergonomics, and safety. The fundamental and applied scientific research for the development of products and technologies of virtual informatics and of mechatronics robotics, as well as for the manufacturing of autonomous vehicles, focuses on top results such as virtual reality multimodal interfaces to be employed in engineering, medicine and art, mechatronic products with cognitive intelligence, vehicle navigation virtual assistants, and software modules for the advanced design of mechanical systems. Knowledge of the fundamental issues that support the development of new products, including IT products, is enhanced through the nationally and internationally acknowledged research activity focusing on differential geometry, probabilities and mathematical statistics, dynamic mechanical systems and analytical functions, theory of approximation, applied mathematics, and theoretical and applied informatics.
Tehnologiile eficiente energetic și sistemele avansate de fabricație constituie cheia obținerii de produse high-tech, sustenabile și la prețuri competitive. Prin centre adecvate, Institutul răspunde în totalitate acestei cerințe. Oferta de cercetare este completată de activități de consultanță, training, servicii de cercetare adresate companiilor, firmelor și administrației locale.
The synthesis of advanced metallic, ceramic, and composite materials represents an advanced research field and covers the thin layer synthesis and the development and characterization of special surfaces by using various advanced technologies. The computer-assisted modeling and simulation of the synthesis processes and of materials processing is employed to obtain concrete products and technologies involving new materials. The existing equipment enables the manufacturing of nano to regular size products involving traditional and new materials by means of conventional and modern technologies. The implementation of the design and fabrication techniques and innovative technologies for manufacturing prototypes in the industrial or medical field represents the basis of collaboration with the economic environment. For product manufacturing, we use additive technologies such as machining and abrasive jet cutting, as well as the latest generation equipment and software design. An important component of the research activity is the carrying out of feasibility studies aimed at implementing integrated management systems. These are accompanied by the modeling, simulation, optimization and management of the industrial technological processes and of production systems. Research for the implementation of machine tools, equipment and non-conventional technologies in industry, as well as the development of innovative manufacturing solutions, are based on techniques such as reverse engineering, prototype production, and the testing of fluided, that is, pneumatic and hydraulic systems. Research, consultancy and training in welding engineering focus on ecological and economical welding and cutting processes, which are mainly employed in manufacturing and reconditioning of parts by cladding. The transfer of knowledge through training courses tailored to the demands of the industrial partners is another mission of the center.
Capacitatea de creație și de performanță în cercetarea științifică constituie, de asemenea, o componentă importantă a dezvoltării durabile, abordate substanțial prin centrele de cercetare cu activități specifice în domeniul sănătății, sportului și muzicii.
The research strategy implies the development of modern methods of assessing cells and of characterizing the biomolecules, as well as methods of molecular interaction analysis to be employed in detecting biological molecules and toxic compounds by using biosensors from various samples, such as biological fluids, foods, or environment samples. Also targeted is the implementation of modern diagnostic methods which will aid in the development of preventive medicine at a national level against the backdrop of the European operation area. The aim of exploratory clinical research is to create monitoring and treatment programs in human pathology, as well as integrative research and management programs for the differentiated analysis of morbidity and mortality in human pathology, with major research directions in internal medicine, more specifically in cardiology. The major research objective is the enhancement of life quality by promoting a healthy, balanced lifestyle. This can be reached by identifying the children's own skills and by orienting them towards performance sports clubs. Another objective is to increase human performance through positive transfer of sports excellence. Moreover, research focuses on eliminating some dysfunctionalities, on recuperating the work capacity, on preventing or diminishing illnesses, and on solving, through physical exercise, various problems that have appeared in contemporary society, such as depression, lack of motion, and diseases of modern civilization. Music performance and creation are major instruments in life quality complex and are supported by research through the integration of information technologies in musical education programs, through the use of mellotherapy, of analytical study techniques in musical disciplines, through the implementation of socio-human integration programs, as well as through the promotion of folk heritage.
Transferul rezultatelor cercetării științifice derulate în institut către mediul economic și sociocultural se realizează prin activități specifice de interfață cu grad avansat de originalitate și adaptabilitate la dinamica dezvoltării durabile, prin centre cu profil economic, de comunicare, sociologie, educație și legislație pentru comunități durabile.
High-quality research services are provided for economic consulting, financial and accounting analysis, and market research for economic agents in major fields such as quantitative and qualitative marketing, management, business strategies and risk assessment, e-business and cyber marketing. The cultural dimension of the social, economic and technological changes, the linguistic implications of these in the dynamics of globalization and their impact on the collective imaginary and cultural identities are constant topics in advanced scientific research. The Cultural Creativity Center also coordinates within the Institute a state-of-the-art online digital TV studio which offers a wider audience a glimpse into the debates and innovations in various domains. Research in the field of psychology aims at identifying solutions for the emotional adjustment in organizational contexts and for the enhancement of the psychological resources of well-being in everyday life, namely resilience, emotional adjustment, and intelligence. In the field of education sciences, it contributes to the promotion of values and good educational practices, to the improvement of the teaching and learning processes, and to the professional improvement of the teaching staff. National Research for the Sustainable Development of Individuals, Organizations and Communities aims at establishing an appropriate framework for fundamental and applied research studies by combining theory, practice and self-reflexivity, mainly in public projects and policies, organizational diagnosis and development, staffing, performance assessment and management, team building, and development of creativity. Strategies for judiciary, ecology, and renewable energy are developed in agreement with the national regulations and corroborated with legislative aspects of natural capital protection and of human environment on national and international scale, as well as with the sustainable development legislation and jurisprudence.
După parcurgerea unei etape care a însemnat construirea institutului și dotarea sa cu echipamente performante, principala provocare o reprezintă resursa umană, respectiv oamenii prin care acest institut și universitatea noastră să devină competitivă la nivel național și internațional în ceea ce privește activitatea de cercetare, de asistență tehnică furnizată atât autorității pentru cercetare, dar și mediul economic, care ne interesează foarte mult, mai ales în contextul în care dorim să ne aducem contribuția la dezvoltarea economică și socială a României.
Institutul și-a deschis oficial activitatea la 1 noiembrie 2013. Un mare număr de parteneri din România și din întreaga lume l-au vizitat și au identificat posibilități de cooperare prin proiecte comune care valorifică infrastructura și contribuie la formarea tinerilor doctoranți și cercetători post-doc. Vă invităm să concepem, dezvoltăm și să promovăm produse, tehnologii și servicii pentru creșterea competitivității economice și a calității vieții în comunitățile durabile.